Hello and welcome back to Developers Diary. In the previous tutorial, we have explored the card component of Apex. In this tutorial, we shall view master detail page component. So let's log into your Apex workspace and go to the app builder. You can create a new application or choose an existing one. I'm going to use the employee demo app. Now click create page. Then we have a master detail page. Here we have three options stacked, side by side, and drilled out option. Let's create stacked master detail page. Enter the name of the page. Select the master table. Click next. Select the primary key of master table. Then click next. Voice. Enter the detail region title and detail region table. Employees. You can see only one table is showing here because show only related table check is enabled. If we turn it off, then we get all the tables. By enabling it, you can get only the table which is related to master table or they have a relation in the database. Click next. Select the primary key of detail table and then select the relationship between them. Click create page. So your first stack master detail page has been created. Simply run the page and you can see the master department name region is showing at the top and the detail information are showing at the bottom. When you select any one of the master department, the detail information is changing respective to that master information. So let's create another page with side by side option. Enter the master side by side master detail. Click next. Select the master table, which is departments. Then thus select the primary display column. Let's say department name and secondary column is location. Then add the detail page. You can add multiple detail options over here. If you have multiple child tables with respect to this department master table, then you can select multiple tables here. Then click create page. No data found. Okay, click next. Lawyers. So this is your side-by-side master table. Click on the page and you can see the master columns that you have selected. The department name and the location are showing at the left side. Click the department, any one of the department, and you can see the information of master at the top and the detailed information are showing at the bottom. You can edit the master information directly from here. Similarly, you can change the detailed information from here. So the last option that we have for the master detail is drill down. So we shall create the drill down master detail. Enter the master page name, drill down master detail. Enter the master detail master table name and navigate to the next page. Enter the primary key and from navigation order. So the navigation order is basically you have to select a column that will navigate from one column to another column. For example, if we select a department name, then the department name navigate from one department to another department. Next option, enter the detail, employees, next. Then provide the relationship between master detail and click create page. So this is your drill down master detail page. Run this table. If you click the edit option, you will navigate to the detail page, or you can say master detail page. Here you can see the master information and the detail information. Then you can navigate from department to another department. That we have select the navigation order, department wise navigation. You can edit any information here and similarly add rows or edit any information and apply changes. You can see the changes that has been done. So this is the master detail page in Apex. So let's understand the backend of this master detail information. In the master detail region, we have two regions, the master region and the detail region. The master region contains the master table information and the columns related to the master information. Now, in the detail column, we have in the detail region, we have the employee table and then the columns of the employee. In the department ID, uh, we have the primary key, which is need for that master detail. Similarly, in the employee, we have a primary key enabled. In the detail region, we define the master region of that detail region. The master region was stack master detail. So we have to select this stack master detail region for this detail region. Then we have the relationship. The department ID is the foreign key of the employee region. So we have to select the department ID and then search for master column, which is the department ID column in the master region. So this is the backend of master detail page. I hope you have learned something useful at Developer Diary. See you in the next tutorial.